Hey there, fellow makers and creators, let's talk batteries. Specifically, a DJI Mavic 2 Pro battery that had been sitting for years. The lights quit working and it wouldn't take a charge. But what if I told you it could be given a second life? These batteries are engineered for performance and safety. Sometimes these safety features lock out perfectly good cells. Wouldn't it be awesome to use that power for other projects? That's where our DIY project comes in, converting your Mavic 2 Pro battery into a universal 4S powerhouse. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. With a little guidance, you'll unlock a world of possibilities. Let's dive in. 4S might sound like a secret code, but it's simpler than you think. It refers to a battery configuration, 4 cells connected in series. This configuration is super versatile. It can power tons of DIY projects. Think remote-controlled cars, robots, even custom LED setups. A universal 4S battery gives you the freedom to power anything you can dream up. Plus, it saves you from buying separate batteries for each project. Now before we grab our tools, let's talk safety. We're dealing with lithium polymer batteries here. They are powerful but need to be treated with respect. Always wear safety glasses when working with batteries and never puncture or crush them. Got it? Good. Safety first, my friends. Alright, ready to get your hands dirty? Here's what you'll need: a soldering iron, solder, wire cutters, heat shrink tubing, an XT60 connector, a 4S balance port connector, and of course, your trusty Mavic 2 Pro battery. Step 1. Carefully open the Mavic 2 Pro battery casing. You'll see the battery cells and a circuit board. Our goal is to bypass this board and create a direct connection to the cells. Step 2. Identify the positive and negative terminals of the battery pack. Usually there's a red wire for positive and a black wire for negative. Step 3. Solder a wire to each of the terminals. We'll tape this up later to insulate the connections. Step 4. Attach your XT60 connector to the other ends of the wires, again using heat shrink tubing for insulation. Double check your connections. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Remember, soldering near batteries can be tricky. Use lots of flux and make sure your soldering iron is hot. If you're not comfortable soldering, ask a friend with experience or look for pre-wired connectors online. Congratulations! You've successfully transformed your Mavic 2 Pro battery into a universal 4S powerhouse. Now you can use it to breathe life into all sorts of awesome projects. But wait, what if your battery isn't working? First, double-check all your connections. Make sure they're solid and there are no shorts. If you're still having trouble, don't worry. The internet is your friend. Head over to your favorite search engine and look for forums or videos related to DIY battery conversions. This project is all about pushing boundaries and exploring the possibilities of technology. Safety always comes first, but then be sure to like and subscribe. You can click the link on your screen to watch the complete build video.